For a long time, AI lived at the edges of product and engineering work. It was tested, discussed, and often kept separate from the decisions that truly mattered. Something that R&D teams cared about, overlooked by business leaders in non-tech environments. Over time, that relationship flipped. AI moved closer to the teams, closer to daily work, and closer to responsibility. Today, teams rely on it as part of how decisions are made, expanding the area of impact, expanding its influence. That shift marks a real challenge. Companies seeing value from AI aligned their vision accordingly and started building systems around it. They use AI to support decision-making, reduce uncertainty, and help people spend more time acting and less time searching for answers, be it operational work or work that impacts consumers and customers directly. At RebelDot, our team sees the best and most impactful results when AI is used in solving specific use cases, driving with the need and unlocking value through intelligence. AI delivers value when it's connected directly to how teams operate day to day across healthcare, fintech, energy, manufacturing, and motorsport. The pattern is consistent. AI has the greatest impact where complexity is high. Data can drive decisions and mistakes are costly. In healthcare, it surfaces patterns that are impossible to see at human scale. In fintech, it improves how risk and behavior are understood over time. In motorsport and industrial environments, it improves how systems perform under pressure, where small gains compound quickly. The technology itself is rarely the limiting factor. Identifying the use cases and defining the expected outcomes will enable the efficient use of it. What makes the difference is where AI shows up to work. Teams often start with tools instead of decisions. They automate before clarifying what truly matters. Friction appears when AI is added around the edges for the sake of it, instead of being built and designed into core points where choices are made. Working with the Visa Cash App Racing Bulls Formula One team as one of their technology partners has made this very clear to us. The Visa Cash App Racing Bulls Formula One team operates in one of the most demanding environments in the whole world. Every input is measured, every assumption will be challenged, and decisions are informed by data and AI, strengthening judgment and accelerating action. At VCarp, AI fits naturally into everyday engineering work. It's built into simulations, validation processes, and really every development cycle. It helps engineers move from questions to confidence faster. In an environment where everything is measured in milliseconds, that confidence really makes a difference. The lesson applies far beyond motorsport. Strong performance comes from systems that leverage the human judgment and reduce unnecessary cognitive load. AI contributes by reducing noise, really highlighting what deserves attention, and making complex information easier to act on. Within the Visa Cash App Racing Bulls Formula One team, AI helps ensure decisions are made with a very clear view of the situation. It exposes inconsistencies, shortens feedback loops, and allows experts to focus on what they do best on applying their knowledge. Business and product teams benefit from the same approach. AI belongs where decisions are made, inside the moments where choices carry real consequences. AI is becoming foundational rather than an add-on. As core infrastructure, it enables personalization, faster operations, and teams with greater time to focus. For leaders, the takeaway is clear. Advantage comes from how AI is designed into everyday tasks. Teams that feel stuck or overwhelmed benefit from starting where the friction is. Look for places where decisions are slow, unclear, or where they are repeatedly revised. Address those first. AI becomes valuable once the problem is well understood. At RebelDot, our team helps partners build systems that support this shift. We turn complexity into something that teams can work with. We design AI in a way that supports people and strengthens decision making. And if everything we've learned from working with the Visa Cash App Racing Bulls Formula One team could be reduced to one simple idea any organization can apply tomorrow, it would be this: Performance comes from building systems that help people make better decisions when it matters most.